wrapping a stout small block in a clean restoration and vivid aesthetics. This fully sorted 78 Trans Am draws big crowds and big compliments. Looking for a fun muscle car that's unrelentingly cool? Take a look at this American classic. Leaving GM's famous Van Nuys manufacturing facility as a legitimate W-code Trans Am, this striking resto mod has been fully stripped and treated to a 2-year ground-up restoration that was completed in late 2016. That rebirth included a glowing coat of pewter silver two-stage, which was detailed with brilliant Pontiac and Trans Am decals. And those decals look great spliced with custom airbrushed callouts. Inside is a cozy custom interior that's a great mix of modern amenities and classic style. The clean cockpit begins with Procar buckets that feature unique body-matched vinyl. A massage dash hangs a custom instrument panel behind vivid gauges, a USB port, and controls for air conditioning. Below the seats, rich carpet floats Trans Am-themed floor mats around a molded console that's finished with a factory shifter, and a tilting column spins a leather-wrapped Formula steering wheel. Lift the car's dramatic hood and you'll find a potent Vortec 5300 small block that'll provide miles of reliable power. Upgraded with an LS1 intake and a Lincoln Felter cam, the tough 5.3-liter sends power through a 4L60E automatic to a GM 10-bolt rear. Fully sorted from its glossy shaker all the way to its slick snowflakes, this Trans Am is an impressive resto mod that's perfect for any Pontiac enthusiast. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.